Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with the 12th entry into my 400 SUBBIE challenge giveaway that I am hosting here until the end of June. You can find the original video for more information at the end of this video. Just watch it pop up on the screen. But my number 12th entry comes from a new subscriber, and I'm glad she's here. Welcome, welcome. I look forward to getting to know you better. Her name is Zenobia, and she is from California. So just a neighbor here, and how gorgeous. So, oh my goodness, look how pretty. So it says, congrats on getting over 400 subscribers. I'm glad that I am one of them. Me too, girl. Thanks for sharing all of your creative projects, swaps, and purchases. I recently got back into crafting and have been watching a lot of crafty videos. I hope you enjoy the Memorydex card I made for you. Best wishes, Zenobia. Oh, welcome back. Welcome back. Yeah, over the years, I've come and gone away, depending on the hecticness of my life. But yeah, I've been back for a couple years, so it's so much fun when you go away and come back because there's so much new gadgets and new tools, new brands, new makers. And so you get to find inspiration all over. And so thank you so much, Zenobia. I am glad that you chose to participate, and I'm glad that you chose to join our little ohana here. So let's see her Memorydex. It is adorable. It reminds me of Bambi. Look at that. With the mushroom shaker. This is so cute. And it says dream. And it's good thick size. Oh, this is so beautiful. Let's see. And so Zenobia is from Irvine, California. Her birthday is in October. And here on YouTube, she is Zenobia Noor. I'm not sure if I'm spelling her last name correctly, but I will leave the link to her YouTube channel in the description box below. Her favorite color is gray, and her favorite animal is an elephant. This is so pretty. Thank you so much. I love it. It's gonna look great with the rest of my Memorydex cards. And then she also said some goodies, which is totally not necessary, but I appreciate the blessing. Just appreciate you thinking of me and wanting to send me something extra. Okay, here we go. And she's just included some of these die cuts, which look very fun. I can't wait to play with them. Sorry for the packaging, but how cute. Oh, let's see. So I love this bag topper. You know I'm gonna reuse it. It's a Maggie. That puffy sticker is that Maggie Home's quail. I think she's a quail. Look at the flower. Oh, butterflies. Look at these gorgeous butterflies. And more roses in different sizes. Thank you so much. Look at this butterfly too. She's so cute. Do I want that one? And then this one. So cute. She's included these that I can make my own butterflies. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate this. I don't have any dies like this. Thank you, Zenobia. I hope that everyone is having a crafty day, and until the next video, shakas.